Hello everybody, it's Artist King here, back with another video. And as I don't know if you can pick up from my title, I was really excited about this video because of how awesome this piece turned out. It's been a while since I've done pour painting because I know I just didn't like how the ones that I did, I just didn't like how they came out. So I kind of quit doing them for a minute. But I sat here, today and I said, well, why not do something, Wendy? Try it again and see if maybe this time you'll get it the way it's supposed to be, a little better than it did. So I decided I wasn't going to mix a whole bunch of colors and waste a whole bunch of paint because you guys know how I am about wasting stuff. So I said, well, let me do something simple, just black and white. So it started off with just black and white, and then somewhere in the midst of that, I said, let me put a little red, because for those of you that know me, red is my color. That's one of my favorite colors. So I started doing, I had like the bottom of a liter pop bottle, and I couldn't find it because, like I said, it's been so long, I probably threw it in the trash and don't realize it. So I couldn't find that, so I ended up using this little strainer thing that I bought months ago. So there you see I added the red because, like I said, I just love red. So I did that, and if you guys can already take a look and see, I was doing this and I was like, okay, maybe this is the one. So as you can see how nice and big the cells are looking on this one, I was just amazed because I was like, what did I do different this time from the last time? And I couldn't think of anything. I mixed the paint the same way. I use acrylic paint, I use a little bit of water, I use a little bit of silicone oil, and I had a pour mix, a pre-mix thing that I bought at Hobby Lobby months ago. So I used those things and I mixed them up real good in a cup, and as you can see in a bottle, I really tried to mix them, and then that's what I used. So there's the red, I mixed it up with that little popsicle stick. So anyway, I did that and I thought it turned out pretty well. I was so proud and so happy. So I couldn't wait to show you guys this video because I was really proud of the way it turned out. So anyway, as you can see there, I have all the red and everything is combining and all the cells are coming out nice and big. And I just tried to finish it up. So I did use the tissue on this, and for you guys who do this type of painting, there's a thing that you do with tissue where you put like a whole thing on a piece of paper towel over the top. And it kind of changes the outcome. It changes it a little bit. So I decided, well, since I'm on a roll here, let me just keep going. So I put this towel over it. And as I pull it up, I have a previous video where I did something like this and it turned out pretty okay, but this one turned out a lot better. So I let it soak up some of the paint, and then you'll see where I'll pull the paper towel. See, there I am taking the paper towel off, and if you look underneath, you can see just how awesome the cells look even better. You see, look at that. Isn't that awesome? I think it looks really good. I don't know. I guess other people probably like, why is she so excited? But I am, because you guys have no idea how many of these paintings I did and they didn't come out right and I had to squash them and start all over again. So I was really happy with this one. So anyway, it's almost to the end of the video. So I just want to say thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. I was really super excited about this. So keep watching to the end. It's almost done. It's probably a little minute or so again, but keep watching. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Again, thank you to my new subscribers. You guys are doing awesome. Thank you for the people who watch my videos but don't subscribe. I appreciate you guys. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video, leave a comment if you like it. If you didn't, leave a comment, and subscribe most of all. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys, and I will see you next Tuesday. Okay, all right, bye now.